I don't know where this came from. I forget where I got him. I actually don't know what he does or what he's supposed to do. It looks like he was maybe part of something else on the bottom. Clearly it's a werewolf. I thought it would be appropriate for Halloween. He does take batteries and he has lights in his eyes, so I assume at least that's supposed to happen, but he doesn't do anything. And I can show you real quick. And looks clean in there to me. I don't see any corrosion. It looks like I think he takes LR44. Didn't say anywhere, but it looks like the right size. Just those 3 coin cell batteries on there. Is that the right way? Positive that way? Yep. Okay, so it goes in this way. And it doesn't do anything. I don't know if there's supposed to be like, is there a button in here that presses? I don't see anything in there. So yeah, I don't know what's supposed to make him work, but he's not doing anything. So I don't know how easy this is going to be to get into because there's no screws and he's glued in. So hopefully we can get him apart without damaging too much. Don't look. Seems stuck. Carefully force this out. Oh, I want to break it. Well, break it any more than I was broken. Aha! Okay. Assume those just go up to his eyeballs. There we go. So it looks like, yeah, those wires just go up to his eyes. So what do we got? There's a button here. Button? How would you press the... Button. Well, let me put the batteries back in. See what happens if we press that button.
Ouch! Quit squeezing me!
Oh, he...
Hey, that hurts! Ouch!
Well... So now I feel stupid because he works, he just... Hold on.
Quit squeezing me!
So does that mean you're just supposed to press on his stomach? Okay, hang on. I feel really stupid because he works.
Hey, that hurts!
He works just fine. I just didn't know how to use him. Okay, interesting. Ooh.
Ouch! Quit squeezing me! Hey, that hurts! Ouch!
Okay, well, I don't know if I'm going to post this video because obviously there really wasn't a fix of any kind to go on here. If you're seeing this, then obviously I did. I just didn't know. I didn't know what he did. I didn't know what he was. I did Google to try to find this guy, and I couldn't figure out what he was. So yeah, it was still kind of cool to get inside, take him apart, see what was inside of him. So yeah. Anyways, whoops.